Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech Z207 speaker system. It's a 2-channel speaker set, which means no subwoofer. Opening the box, the first thing we see is a mini setup / use guide. Pretty straightforward, and then we're greeted by the speakers themselves. In between the speakers there is a cardboard box that houses the 3.5mm headphone cable, and then we have a power adapter. Now the power adapter is proprietary, and looking at the speakers themselves, both are connected with a single non-removable cable. Now as you guys can see, the right speaker is the one with the controls and the I/O, with the front of the right speaker housing the volume control knob, which also acts as a on and off switch, the Bluetooth pairing button, and a headphone pass-through, along with an LED indicator light that shines green for regular use when you're just using the aux cable, and blue when a Bluetooth device is connected. The back of the speakers is pretty simple. It has a cable connecting the two speakers together, an aux port, and the port for the power adapter. As I said, the volume knob does act as a power switch. The volume control knob is very smooth and it just feels really good. The speakers themselves are made out of just a hard plastic. I was fooled through the pictures. I thought that the back support would be maybe metal, but the whole thing is pretty much just plastic. So that's been unboxing and a first look at these speakers. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button, subscribe if you want more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.